When international buyers search for high-quality fiber clay planters, they need products that are beautiful, durable, easy to display, and suitable for different selling channels. Shenzhen Saina Industrial Komchagiri Arbetalid provides professional fiber clay planter pots for retail stores, garden centers, commercial projects, hospitality spaces, and outdoor landscaping programs. Our planter collections are designed for buyers who need both style and function. The natural stone-like texture, soft neutral color, and modern round shape make our decorative planter pots suitable for many markets, including home and garden retail, outdoor living, interior decoration, hotel projects, public space design, and landscape construction. For retail display, coordinated fiber clay flower pots help garden centers and home decor stores present different sizes and finishes clearly. Buyers can create complete product lines with round planters, large outdoor planters, indoor plant pots, patio planters, balcony planters, and decorative garden pots. The lightweight structure also makes display, handling, and store arrangement easier. For commercial spaces, our large fiber clay planters bring a premium natural look to hotel entrances, resorts, office lobbies, restaurants, cafes, shopping malls, villas, and mixed-use buildings. Planted with trees, flowers, or green foliage, these planters create a welcoming atmosphere and enhance the visual value of the space. For landscape use, our outdoor planter pots are suitable for streetscapes, public squares, civic areas, parks, courtyards, terraces, and outdoor planting projects. Fiber clay material offers important advantages such as lightweight, weather resistance, anti-UV performance, frost resistance, anti-efflorescence, and eco-friendly features, making it a practical choice for long-term indoor and outdoor use. At Fancy Pottery, every fiber clay planter pot is produced with careful attention to material, craftsmanship, finishing, inspection, and packaging. We understand that global buyers need planter pots that are not only beautiful, but also durable, stable, and ready for retail, wholesale, landscaping, and project markets. The quality of a fiber clay planter starts from the material ratio. During production, we carefully control the mixture to achieve the right balance of strength, weight, texture, and durability. Fiber clay planters are popular because they offer a natural, concrete-like appearance while remaining lighter and easier to handle than traditional cement pots. A stable material ratio helps ensure better shaping, drying, sanding, painting, and long-term outdoor performance. As a professional China fiber clay planter manufacturer and exporter, Fancy Pottery supports global B2B customers with OEM and ODM planter customization, wholesale supply, private label development, strict quality control, export packaging, and container loading support. Our product range includes fiber clay round pots, square planters, trough planters, urn planters, tall planters, large garden pots, and commercial landscape planters. If you are looking for a reliable fiber clay planter supplier in China, Fancy Pottery can help you build a market-ready planter collection for retail, projects, and landscaping. Contact us to request our full catalog, samples, and quotation.